Kenny, come down from there. Mm-hmm. What's he doing up there? Remember that black guy joke that Cartman told him? Oh, is he still? Yeah. It's not my fault that he's afraid of Master Chief. He's not afraid of Master Chief, he's afraid of black guys. And it's all because you told him that joke. Oh, yeah. Kenny, come down there. Come down from there. Yeah, man, we're gonna go paintballing soon. Mm-hmm. Alright, Kenny, are you afraid of black guys now? Mm. It's like a legacy for you to kill him, isn't it? Actually, I get paid for it. Remember, this is the car he ran away in when we went trick-or-treating at Chef's house. Are you serious? Yep. So you killed him twice because he took your car? Well, yeah. I mean, it's my job. You're frickin' retarded.